Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia and this is a December daily video. I'm going to show 4 days and I'm going to start with day 16. And I don't know why I've been reaching for the In a Creative Bubble and Figure Craft cards so much. Well, they are cute. It's just that I have a card full of things and that is the thing that I reach for the most, the In a Creative Bubble items. I don't know why I spent so much money last year printing Snow and Cocoa things because I did not use that much, which is sad because it's really cute. But I never really used pastel colors, not even when I was doing my daughter's baby album. I use those pastel colors, but hey. So here I have day 17, and in day 17 my daughters had to dress as a holiday character. So my youngest one dressed as Rudolph and my oldest dressed as Holiday Daisy. She's obsessed with this Mario Kart game and she had a dress that kind of looked like that, so she decided that was going to be her character. And this was the day where my daughter also took the recycle card that I showed on the last video. And actually her glasses, she started with like the photo on the right with the glasses that I got at Target, and they're really cute, but they kept sliding down because she has like a button nose. So then I switched them to a headband with a nose that lights up. And I also have in the past few years my daughters have made this silly holiday Christmas shoot, and they have lots of props that I always get. You can get them from Target, from Dollar Tree, Target. I said Target. Well, you know, Target Toys, because Target is awesome. So in this card that I just used, those elf stickers are from Target. I think they're from last year or the year before, but they are really cute, and my elf is in so many pictures that I had to buy them. And the word Tuesday is from a stamp set from Ali's Studio. So that day my elf dressed like the Grinch and started like, she had this tube that was sucking the ornament from the ornaments from the my daughter's Christmas tree. They have like a 4-foot tree, and then we have our bigger 6-foot tree that is Harry Potter, and hers were like a bunch of handmade ornaments. But this year they're gonna do something new, and I'm really excited to see how that's gonna turn out. And mostly stress, but yeah, excited. So since it was about taking down the tree, I stamped Deck the Halls, and on top I'm gonna add on Deck the Halls. And the UN stamps, the alphabet, is from Sweet Stamp Shop, and Deck the Halls is from one of the new stamp sets from Feed Your Craft. And I don't know if that one is still available, because last time I checked, I was checking something else and I noticed that most of their holiday items were already gone, and I was like, I'm not surprised, but I'm kind of am. Their things are amazing and I know that, but still it's like, whoa, which is good. It's always awesome to support small businesses, and when they sell out, kind of makes me happy. That means they're doing well. So always consider at least setting up, you know, buying one thing from a small, either stamp company, kit club, someone who makes handmade embellishments, someone like Color Cast Designs that makes their own acrylic pieces and wood veneers, which, by the way, this year it should go towards that in my case. Or someone who sells printables like In a Creative Bubble and Tracy Reads. So journaling on this card, and again, this is the cards that I printed on my Epson or Canon matte photo paper, and I can't remember right now because I ran out of Canson and then I bought the Epson. So a bunch of them are from either brand. They are both really good. However, if you write with them with a felt tip, it's gonna ruin your tip. So make sure you use something like a roller ball or a ballpoint. And I kept that super easy because I already had so many photos with so many colors, and you know how hard it's for me to not put everything in the kitchen sink. So the next day is also super colorful, and the 18th of December is Charlotte's birthday. So it's good that we have that day. So you know, we can already have an activity for the elf. So to celebrate, she wrapped their Christmas tree, and she had a balloon, and she had her birthday hat. She had a great day. And the next day after that one, my daughters had ugly sweater day at school. So Charlotte got them those really cute sweaters. And thank you to the person that commented that you could leave that little clip part of the hole punch open to see the holes. That's like logic, you would think, but my brain is being compromised. It's being fried. So thank you whoever said it. Because it didn't occur to me. I have no idea why, but hey. So, and I wanted to add pom-poms to that photo like I did in the tag that I made earlier. But I was thinking, oh, that's too many pom-poms. The album is already getting chunky. And in the video, I didn't do it. It was when I was going to take the pictures and I'm like, you know what? I'm going to be wild and put the pom-poms on the photo, and that should tell you the level of wild I am, throwing pom-poms on a paper project. So besides that, adding the pom-poms, I'm actually starting to work on the page on the left first. Those stickers are from Ellie's Studio, and I think that for last year during Black Friday I got a kit from a past year, and it was like a really good deal. It didn't have the stamp set. I don't think they come with a stamp set, but it was like $10 or $15, and it had like cards and papers and stickers and the die cuts that they normally use. So I thought it was a really good deal. So check out Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Out, and Small Business Saturday is the one that I wanted to think about. So I was thinking about adding something else because, again, we've been here. I keep adding things, but I just wanted a little extra detail since I wasn't going to add the pom-poms. And I have these tabs, and I got them at Dollar Tree. I thought they would have the adhesive, but they don't, and I don't think I don't mind it that much. They're quite bigger than regular tabs usually are, so I really like that. And you know, I just had to add either a little adhesive or a staple like I'm gonna do in this case. And last time I did it, I was just thinking that if I use adhesive, you would see the adhesive through the tab, and I don't know if I like that very much, so I decided to go with the stapler. And all I'm gonna do is add a sticker on top of the stapler so it doesn't look like unfinished. And I was thinking about adding words to that little tab, but I couldn't find one that made me happy, so I just went with some stickers that I bought from Target. And I think I bought them last year's, and at first I was like, I can't believe it wasn't that obvious that I should have grabbed these first, because they have tiny sweaters and they're super cute. If I find them this year, I might buy them again because one of the sheets, the sweaters, are almost gone. I still have the cups, the coffee cups, which I might use later because I still have more coffee photos. Surprise, surprise. I think we should do it like a bingo of December daily photos and just watch like 5 videos in a row and do a bingo. You know what? I should get together with my December daily people and plan something like that. And again, I'm using the new stamp set from Feed Your Craft and some Studio Calico ink. This one is Fresh Cut, which is the green. These are my 2 favorite ones, especially for December daily. Fresh Cut and Poppy Red. It's called Poppy, but it's the red ink. And that little star is from an Ellie Studio sticker sheet, and I love those. I think my friend Patty sent them to me, and I love them. I love little puffy shapes, and I love enamel dots. I think new puffy little puffy shapes are the new enamel dots. And here I put this little die cut, and after I was almost done with that side, I realized that I didn't put the 18 on that side, and I was like, where the heck am I gonna put it? And I realized that when I went to move to the other page, and that's where you see those are my thinking hands. And since I couldn't take the circle away, I put that tab on the side, and I actually really like how that looks. So maybe in the future pages I'm gonna be able to do something like that, but on purpose, so it might look better, because now it's kind of like confusing. I have something on the left and on the right, and I wasn't that happy about that. I think this was like an off day for me because I had so many ideas that came after it was done, and that kind of sucks sometimes. But you know what, you're gonna have layouts that you love, and ones that I actually like this one, but with the ideas that I had later, it would have been better. Another idea I had was to do a shaker pocket, because I was like, I have not done enough shaker pockets in this album for me to feel happy. So I decided to do a shaker pocket, but put the tags with the journaling on the outside. And after it was done, I remember that I've done this thing where I put a little bit of the shaker items at the bottom, then I put the tag or the little square in the middle, and I fuse around it to create like a frame, and then add more sparkly bits and sequin mix stuff to the sides and top and seal it. And I was thinking that would have looked so much cuter, but again, these are ideas that I can do later. If I don't do them on this if I don't do them on this album, I'm probably gonna do it from December Daily, for December Daily 2020. So one of them, I wrote the journaling for it with red, and the other one is with black, but they are the same tag, they are the same size. That way I can glue them back to back, and it's not gonna be like the sizes are not gonna be off. So I'm gonna add my December Daily sequin mixes to it, and I spilled it because I'm graceful like that. So after I have everything that I think I want inside the pocket, I'm gonna seal it with my fuse tool. And if you haven't seen the video that I made last year, I made how many sequin mixes I made? I think I made 5. I made a snowy one, a peppermint inspired one, one that has the traditional Christmas colors, one that is very cool with the Snow and Cocoa collection. I think I made 2 for the Snow and Cocoa collection. because I'm just looking through my December daily stash. Yeah, I make two different ones because they have different colors. They're really pretty. Too bad I didn't use them. I do have friends that love Snow and Coco, so I might send them to my friends. So this is a screenshot of a message on ClassTag. So at my daughter's school, in their classroom, they also have another elf, and the elf used to send messages to the parents on ClassTag. And this was the last day of school before spring break, so she was saying goodbye and saying that how much she was gonna miss them and all that. So I thought it was really cute, so I took a screenshot and I added some stamping with the new Feed Your Craft stamp sets. And I'm pretty sure you can tell that this is a Happy Planner cover from an old planner, obviously. And I was just trying it out because I was going to throw away the planner, and I was like, maybe this will work for fusing, and I was right, it worked perfectly. So you don't need to buy the big glass mat. Honestly, the thing that worried me about the mat was it falling and breaking or falling on my foot, because I'm super clumsy. It could happen. So, an old Happy Planner thing works. The cover or a piece of cardboard also works. You don't need anything too fancy. And actually, with the cardboard and with the Happy Planner, pretty much work too. It has like a good grip. You can press really hard. And I just added a few again, puffy stickers on the card. I didn't want anything outside of that tag. And there were such busy photos, I couldn't stamp as much as my brain told me to. And that last day before the end of the day, oh my god, that last semester day, it was holiday pajama day, so my elf again came through and bought pajamas. She loves shopping, she loves Target, and I just added a little star, and those stars were also old from Target. I don't know if it was from last year or the year before. And that is it. In I think I'm doing pretty well. We're 20 days in. I only have 5 days left, but in those 5 days, a lot of things happened too. We went to some places. We got our version, our gift for You've Been Elf. So you're gonna see that in the next video. And let's see what I can come up with and whatever else I forgot, I'm gonna add here. And you're gonna see in the photo the pom-poms. Life is short. Use the pom-poms even if you have to sit on the album later so it can close. Thank you so much for watching. If you wanna know when I upload a video, YouTube is being a brat. You can click on the bell to get announcements whenever I upload a video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having a great day, and let's inspire you to work on your future December daily or maybe past year's December daily. Again, thank you so much for watching. Bye.